Hey my people, another day don't reach for another strong mock news. Today mock news, now fire to fire. I just ready come. I want suck some people brain come out today mock news. People when they talk say they know the year what today mock news now just fire to fire. Who never know me that they call Prince John. First man may see the smell. That mat, still they use until they drink water. Now condition they go make goat. Waka pian pian pian. Can go put person boil begin go drink water. You never know me. Now maybe this is my real face. No check me. So today mock news is going to be a strong mock news and it's going to be a great one. It's going to be a funny one also. Are you ready? Let's go to the reason why we are here. Hey my people, as they go, Peter don't fall out. Peter P Square, who never know and I be this one. Peter P Square, he don't fair come my show once, he complain. Second time now they complain, give me, now they fall out second time. Because of Peter, that made me carry this thing. You see this thing? You see now what they say is suck water system. I want suck some people brain. Those people when they talk say they know the year what did they tell them something, I want suck their brain. You see, not be first time now when Peter they complain say that they open fake account, take they scam people. But based on all that your stubborn head, you know one hear word. I want use this thing now, suck that your brain come out so that make you hear word. This Peter now he don't complain say people they use the account, take they scam people. Okay, but people no want hear, people no want listen. Until big thing don't meet to us. Us puppy, if now us puppy scan you now, then you will know. This boy now don't complain. Those of now when never hear when they complain second time before making scan one, before I scan your brain. Those of now never hear when they complain second time say you are now on your own. He not get everything go fit do. Since he don't fake account say fake account they operate for Facebook. Una no one hear what those of na me like Facebook. Me I make it suck the Facebook here where brain. I suck the Facebook. Come on for your brain. Those of na me never want hear say that they scam person for Facebook. Oh yeah, watch this Peter story second time. If you not can use this one hear what now this thing now take scan your head. Oh yeah. Guadelaba.
Just wanna alert you guys. Just saw some things on my Facebook now. And I'm gonna be very honest with you, and I'm not gonna say it again until maybe whenever I make up my mind. I saw someone who posted something and said, "Oh, he got duped by me. After paying me 10K, I blocked him." The person is very stupid. How many times have I posted and I said, and I repeat myself, we do not do any transfer on Zoom. Somebody told you to pay 10,000, you will win 30,000, and you went to go and give the person. The person told you it was me. You are very stupid. People on Facebook will not really learn. No, you guys will never learn. You guys will never learn. I'm so disappointed. I'm not mad though. Neither I'm sad. I'm so disappointed in some people. I've said it so many times. Nobody who don't do any cash or any transfer on Zoom. In fact, for you to even, when you even win, you have to see me face to face video. Let's just say you're not on WhatsApp or I can call you on WhatsApp video. I can easily, with the same number that you won, will send you a video. Say, "Hi, my name is Peter. Let's say your name is David. David, blah, 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 blah. You've won yourself a Zoom." Somebody, you just go and DM, somebody will DM you. I work for Peter, or create another Peter's name. And next thing, they say the ticket is 500, you are giving 10,000, you are mad. You guys are mad. Some of you all in this Facebook, I don't know. I need to educate a lot of you, are mad. Like seriously. Like I said, it's not everybody. Some people, they know themselves. I always post it. please guys, to play Zoom is just 500 naira. And you go and pay somebody 10,000 naira, you got duped. Come and write on my page. Oh, now you saw the real page and now writing. Meanwhile, the page you are following wasn't mine because the person was using my name and my picture. You're very stupid. I will always post it and I put you can only get ticket on www.zoomlifestyle.com. How is that difficult? Mumu, you be mumu. They will dupe you. In fact, they will dupe you more. You're very stupid. Some of you disappoint. Like, let me repeat it again. I'm not mad. I'm not sad. But I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed. I will say it, let me say it for the last time. On Zoom, we don't do cash, we don't do no transfer to any account. I see some of you writing, it's very difficult, it's very difficult. Can I just send out an account number to send money? You guys are mad. You guys are mad. Trust me. Instead of me to pity, I'm supposed to be feeling bad for you. Now I'm no more feeling bad for you because you're stupid. Sometimes someone says, Mr. P, sometimes it's not our fault, it's frustration. Frustration what? Frustration for what? Go to the website and play. Only the website. No account, no transfer, no cash. Damn!
Working on you don't hear when Peter they complain second time. If you are not a wise person, you will put your head down and know say Facebook there are many scanners like Hush Puppy. No one they save many scanners. So if you do Facebook, if you do something for Facebook or you do transact business for Facebook, be very wise because those people in Facebook in your case scan you. If they scan you, you will lose your left leg. Let's go to the next news. For America, not be so much as a boss. Me too say now we made they Jamie. They feel this problem for 1 month now. For 1 month. If you want to go supermarket, you want to go anywhere. After you do your comot for your house, you want to enter anywhere, you must wear face mask. Hey, put the face mask. Face mask. When can say problem, you now face mask don't cause big problem for the country. This thing now don't happen to me several times. I come up for us, I can't forget to carry face mask. After I don't reach supermarket finish, I want to enter inside supermarket. Security you me say, make me face mask. You see me, I not get face mask. Say I'm not allowed to enter face inside the supermarket. You see, face mask. I don't know. Say I just say now only Jamie they feed the public and the country when they have to talk about. I just say now Jamie they feed this public. Now strong law that if you not get face mask, you cannot go anywhere. I don't know, say for America, they don't stand against us, say, yo, face mask is not anything. It cannot prevent anything, any disease. Even those people, when they wear face mask, safe, they cut out the virus pass. Though those of now we never see the video when they shoot for America because of this face mask, the protest, when they protest for America because of this face mask. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
Wear a mask for the same reason I don't wear underwear. Things gotta breathe.
Thank you for your comments, ma'am.
And they want to throw God's wonderful breathing system out the door. You're all turning your backs on it.
In the beginning, God formed man out of the earth and breathed his breath in him, and he became a living soul. Where do you derive the authority to regulate human breathing? What you say is the political dogma that they're trying to shove down our throats on every commercial and every store, and it's disgusting.
Every single one of you that are obeying the devil's laws are going to be arrested. And you doctor are going to be arrested for crimes against humanity.
Let me ask you all, do you believe you're God? Do you believe you can override God's divine plan for our lives? You're removing our freedoms and stomping on our constitutional rights by these communist dictatorship orders or laws you want to mandate.
We will get together and do a citizen's arrest on every single human being that goes against the freedom of choice, okay? You cannot mandate, you literally cannot mandate somebody to wear a mask knowing that that mask is killing people. It literally is killing people. Every single one of you have a smirk behind that little mask, but every single one of you are going to get punished by God. You cannot escape God. You cannot escape God. I'm gonna say that again. You cannot escape God, not even with the mask or 6 feet. Okay? 6 feet, like I said before, is military protocol. You're trying to get the people to train them so when the cameras, the 5G comes out, what? They're gonna scan everybody. We gotta get scanned. We gotta get temperatured. The kids have to go to school with masks. Are you insane? Are you crazy? I think all of you should be in a psych ward right the heck now.
Much of our communication is nonverbal, which includes facial expressions, gestures displayed, and the physical distance between the communicators. How will young children be able to know who the dangerous deviants are, like pedophiles and people in the human sex trafficking?
You did not listen to we the people. I would die for that country. I would die for the Constitution. And you know what? You disgraced me. You know why? You did not listen to we the people. You made your decision.
I haven't worn a mask yet. I'm not wearing it today. Besides, despite what you guys do up here today, I'm not wearing one tomorrow. I was born free. I will stay free. My rights come from God, not from you. I'm not wearing it. You're going to have to hold me down and put it on me.
We are a nation of shared values of freedom, liberty, equality. We are home of the free, land of the brave. This is America, as someone else.
Just here, you see protest because of face mask. I know yours know waiting coronavirus we carry we mild coronavirus now turn to when go enter person bed. If it does suck you, you no go want come out. Coronavirus can no want to come out. Now it don't cause problem for with the country. Coronavirus. Now the way you see us, that make us you do us like this. But go to the next news. For Benin, no be sumo kasala dey happen now between Benin and Ologbo. That is the Shekiri people. You know say Ologbo, na the Shekiri, na the base there. Between Benin, Edo State, and the Shekiri people. They say one person, one civilian, one person come out, they terrorize the two boundary, just hold the two boundary ransom for Benin. This message, this man complain, give me, I see this message, I was so touched. I say, how one person go use the terrorize between Benin and the Ishekiri? There is, yeah, the Ishekiri, Ologbo, and Benin, because they get boundary together. Put Omono Banedo, Oba talk by this message, now especially for you. All those places who wanna forget boundary is hard time. You need to check all those places they know, because this one a land issue, and you as the superior, you are the superior to all those land issue and to all those community. If problem come in, if problem they come, I speak pidgin, make it fear me. Before I cut my tongue, say I dey fear to me, I speak pidgin. If problem they come all those community, you need to observe all those problems. Before the problem come, you observe the problem as the superior to all those states, to all those land. Because now we are not talking about government. We are talking about the traditional ruler to all those land. You are the superior. You have here, problem is happening and you hear. because the man say they don't complain this problem severally to police, to government, even to the community. Nobody. They go say come today, make peacekeeping. And those hoodlock, all those criminals, they are still walking along the street. Nobody is disturbing them now for being now for see that kind of thing. Person go keep, person go see the blogger, they go for streets. Oba, abeg, send your shifts. You get shifts. Why are you paying all those shifts? Send all those shifts. Make that they check all those community. If things they go right or if things they go wrong, abeg, Oba talk me. Send all those things so that me you they get the information about what they happen for your land. This is your land. The people in Edo State, they are under you. You are the superior. Those of now never see the video when this man they complain, they give me. When this man they complain, they give the word, say me see what they pass through. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
I'm an indigenous of Kolokolo community. I'm here in respect of this Olobo issue, just to let the government, the governors, the Oba know that what is happening in the Olobo Dukedom is just only one person. And I'm here as a native of Shekiri. Shekiri and Benin doesn't have problem. The only problem we have is Johnson fighting Shekiri, same time fighting Benin, killing people here and there, using his woodlums. And immediately they committed this crime, they will be walking on the street. I mean, as I'm talking to you now, Johnson and the hoodlum destroyed my property worth about 60 million. Destroyed my house, destroyed my company, burned houses in Kolokolo, and so many things they destroyed. Until today, the hoodlums are on the street moving about.
Have you reported this matter to the police?
We reported the matter is under the CPA. For the past 2 months now, we are waiting whether they will do justice on the matter. We are still waiting up till now.
So,
thing is happening for the past 8 months now. If you report the matter, you petition up to the SA, nothing will be happening. They will say come for peace accord, and before the same peace accord, the Johnson and the Woodlums will be terrorizing everybody. You cannot go to your place of work, you cannot go to your office, you cannot go anywhere. You just be running etasketa. As I'm talking to you now, I'm not safe because of he and his Woodlums. And I so much thank God that the Shekiri they are going into the matter, because Shekiri and Benin does not have fights, and Benin does not have fight the Shekiri. The problem is between the Johnson and the Woodlums in Olobo, claiming as a traditional ruler in Olobo and the Everon.
Okay, now how will you describe the situation in Olobo right now?
The situation in Olobo is so bad, because everybody is afraid, because everybody is waiting for the police and for the government, the relevant authority, to take this matter, to do justice in this matter.
So in terms of what you call justice, how will you describe the kind of justice you want?
Justice is them to be arrested and prosecute them to court. Okay. That is how justice is supposed to be.
You don't see the police. So I beg, make the police try to know these people, because if person don't they lose land and property, it not be small thing. Like any area, this is a big thing. So police, I beg, Oba, I beg, still work. Make they try to put all these people to book. Make they question them before they turn to some people. Me, I don't want to make sure they are named for Edo State. You know, say for Edo State now, one person go come and go say na he go thief ballot policies. So Edo State now, wait to na say oh na back. We don't know. So we'll go to the next news. For Benin, I to say now only Benin this thing they happen. I just want to drop this thing. I to say now only Benin this thing they happen. When politics, after they do thief things, they become governor or become state enemy or enemy. Later they'll come the camp. Because of one thing, they'll come the camp go another party. I don't know say the same thing they happen for Ghana. Ghana now. The youth of Ghana, they vex. They say they want to come up for the ruling party, go to the opposition party. Not be so much as like exactly what happened for Benin. Now you see the apple for Ghana. So exactly what the apple for Benin. Now the apple for Ghana. This news I don't want to read that long. Those of you never hear when they talk the thing. Oh yeah, Guadelaba.
Hey, Taifa youth. Yeah, in ye. Ye jina homa. Your constituency no. Your problems be brave. Na minu anom. Ene makabum say or say. Ye ba ye junjune ho. Eti edi kan junjune ho. But na mikuta nipa 638. But because of COVID-19, you know, you me my union ma hat na mi nipa 70. But that's a biaira ye umbeba. Na de hia nyina no ye Taifa nkoso nti na ebre. Ye party aba. Ye nyina ne New Patriotic Party ma. Ye party aba. Ye nya improvement bia o Taifa hasi. Because of 8 years a nua Sarah Adwasafo a wodi asui. Ye ni improvement bia o Taifa hasi. Pot will be the more edda ye kira say. Ye wia me dem beko bridge bo say wia me dem beko. Sabi de ne to aba. Ye to aba yimpanifo ebedi anim. Sade e bia ye ho kire onema bi mu a ye frɛ mo ombeba. COVID-19 ye hwehwɛ omo yehu omo. COVID-19 ye hwehwɛ omo yehu omo. Aduane me ankasa na me kɔ na makopa aduane abrɛ me manfo. E de ne to aba. Ye to aba yimpanifo ebedi anim. Me nua sɛ ye kɔ ase oni akɔ de nsuo ye manfo ne ma. Sɛ me de kɔ Taifa no ahwɛ potos adane ankre adane abura ebe ya but ni nyina ne nkomra improvement bia no wo Taifa because of minua baadwo asafo a se ye hwemu kura wadi 8 years ene ma pana wa ye nyina no eye NDC dim because of community day school a wo atomic runabout ye papa John Dramani matam ena ye build school no ye he police station atomic police station opposite hospital we no bia nko ho ya papa John Dramani Mahama and force ya be biemu ni nyina om se anya hwe ye ogata bi wa kira ase a ye wiam dem beko my brother sa wo to aba na onya improvement wo wasetan mu a eya me my ya se me ha me nua ba adwo asafo a ye demonstration ma obeye kwan obeye street light MPP for ya na ka kire 2016 se enya ekwan na ebedi enya light no enya ebedi sabi yanso ye to ye mabu. It was here doing a Dutch home because me told the Siano, some I knew me am one. Okay, so see, come back. Why never support you? Why never support you? And your decision I taking is say I 2020 there, a boot to boot because of Yahoo say a do registration now. Near Kofan Crofobia free baby do more gubasim. I do more but Taifa has said on my registration. On my registration, we are. I'm gonna decide your and ye be decided ye pet. Say see I parliamentary primary say 2 year. Any papa or 5,000 Ghana cedis or TV or gentleman. Na general election the government bet me providing yama nyana. Me person me say MPP for say. So almost so many me one MPP me one nyama me the bet chamo mo say me one MPP. Me ni me nua ba adwo asafo 2016. Me ne na campaign. So say me boa on kasa. Minua no kasa your friend said. Meneno, ye tumoto, but be a campaign be a co. Nyanka sam tum husio. Lockdown. Minua ba aklugu. I can't say. Ala plem aklugu. Nyankupon shano. Lockdown when yama. About modding eba besra. Me kwanem nimsa. Or a parliamentary candidate for NDC. About modding beche mo 5 kilo 100 bucks. 5 kilo 100 bucks. 100 bucks no. Obecha man say sabi. Or junior home, ye cranny and him so standing. And to make man for the term say, Yancy San and Queen, this Namsi Derby, Yan Tuyabo, because Sabi, if it preocupa policy and Mujabe, Beba. Nancy, I hear Munano, demonstration here, and catcher say, Yan people for Mr. T. something near my good social media. It don't who something near my good social media. No, I'm with your margins as I tear there. Okay, Yamla party office. And I'm catching and say, no, and Yamin Kwan my demonstration. Me name me squad and I demonstration to send the papa mo amunyina amuntu na momla Taifa. Nienko hu boys no. Nienka adia that be the whole Taifa. Taifa no way in the demonstration Taifa staff the East youth. By the say there and now kwa minya course 68 and now kwa 68 course. I'm so amoba. My brother and near my from Taifa me catch wa wunyini. Me see we am the mo be no mako help portos. Muncha ye we am so na ha man for from a hat to do me. Namocha sabi ye improvement too. Ye improvement our mantem. Hey MPP buy the whole Greater Accra ye stronghold ɛyɛ dɔmi kwabenya me pese me busa MPP mpanifo se e de na omo aya e boa community na omo nkyerɛ omo timi akyerɛ se omo si secondary school one day say to one factory obi obeka se nye good bi obo by policy no I say nye schools ha ya papa John Dramani Mahama sisi schools se MPP buy na omo to aso ake onema bebre na me dem ni hwe de beka nyina ne se ya ba na e beto no ya prepare ho say me kuta nipa 638 efiri otene ko enipa bebre ba me san be ko na makokasa ma me nkrofo because amanfo ntimi nkasa na de ye ho no ye be fight ma ye community no because anya nko ayedim o say fight say that nkola na di achi benya bibi paba emre we die ye ka treni abas ye oh my brother mpacho mam kwan ye ka treni abadwo asafo ase wadi 8 years ye enema waye no o me prove nche NDC tam kwan otumi ye ne ma nanya na ye party new patriotic party aba ye friend na story me yeah 2016 campaign time bia my friend bia ne driver ne be manya feedback by to aba wie manya feedback bia bia minim say ye be to aba be ka 1 week on be ba na say ugina ha say na sabi wo nyansafo na ye be ma 2016 na oje wani ewu denti na nyankopon sha so obusam sa question no denti a sha NDC t-shirt ni say ye nua ba akulugu ana klem akulugu wanya ma tamwa lockdown ba ya ho che kom de no ya hu say ya 1 bi ato abama no ya hu say 1 pp mpanfo bi ato abama omo mitimi ko party office no mo to no mo hwemanim toli tamwa pra bande omo ma me kwan me ade be che me ka secret ba kwa kire mo that was 2016 6 December ade be che me akoto aba no omo ma me posters 350 say me kofin fam ko bi de kai kumo Taifa Junction me fin fam na me de koko ne ya am de kotal no o ka kire me say wo de MPP ati na be de kebe kuam hu ni nyina na party aba power omo be sufra ne be kan obi emu aye omo be sufra ne be kan obi emu aye because of party na aba power yes ya tika bi mam kabinase ya tika bi mam kabinase awo se adwene yemanfo ho eti atal na ehye ni nyina adwuna se tamu e kwa ho ye hia mu no se enu aba ne ba be koma ide a ya de support nyina support me bo ana akulugu akulugu yakupon shano yakupon mana hoden na me kama na sise enema ma me ne ye no me na minim no me ko estate asoma estate ana me ko tena ba bi so oluma me so aja me ko pefuodi me ko tena no mu di ne ho adanse pa manije pa ma me bi say ma me we boa me buy school fees kra no kama ntimi antua nyon na de ma me etu an to me trim say ene ma me we nsu nyame ehira no because odwene nipa ho de a o sensu enya adwene pa de dey e de ma no sabi ye nto aba ma wo ni ehu biem me ka no krache all the youth in Taifa say yes sa abanum 2020 me catch them say 7 December by 8 December ye nua aba adwo asafo obesi form enye obi na betake ye decision amayo ye youth na na beto aba sa wo ya pani bi na wo ba bi na so betake ye decision amayo ye so be out youth ni ye be out na no kra ya kan nyina ne se nya me pamucho montomobo me pamucho montomobo me pamucho montomobo
does it mean say previous registration here in the do
you don't see like here you see all land get their own problem. That's why they talk say if you get your problem, put your problem to yourself. You see now wetin dey happen for another state now. No be only Benin dey happen when Obaseki take the camp comot for APC now na come enter PDP for dead hour. After e don enter PDP, they call this gwan things. So e still dey happen for Ghana. Kebere, you see the video when they dey gwan everything. We'll go straight to the next news. This news I want drop on for Benin between land issue. I know you know this thing happened to me. It don't happen to many people. Many people don't complain to me. Person go buy land. You go buy land. Maybe you buy land now this year because you never get money to develop that land. Before you come back next year, they go sell your land, give another person. And person when you follow bad land, he go tell you say in na the community na in a he go even tell you in a shift for the community. Even community people, the community go know say na fake land. They go stand for that person back, sell that land. Later, even when you do something, they go still follow, come drink for that land. But later, they'll come and talk, say na community, say this one, that one, that one, that one. Make they go cut land for you for another site. Put the Oba of Benin, Oba top there. Since you don't swear, say no more settling for Benin land, but they still get this character. They still they sell land 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. That's why they read this news is that I dey hear many things. Many Benin people do the verse. They'll say, why Benin people will go they build house for another state or another state. Now this problem, now they make Benin people go they build house for another state. When you buy land, you know you feel leave your land when you buy with your own money for 5 years, for 6 years. Say you not develop, you know you feel, or your first around, you know you feel leave your land. Ants go your come out from nowhere, you go come sell the land, give cockroach. Cockroach go come sell the land, give mosquito. Mosquito call they tell you say na papa na get the land since 1990. The person, one person you call come out, they go say na father get this land since 1990. Say na father take use this land carry farm. And the community no talk say they no know say about that land, but they go allow person sell that land. They'll come cause problem between you. Your land when you buy keep, you just come say at the other day, you see say person don't build as he don't carry the house reach needed level for Benin. I beg, Omonoba. This one a very important matter. This one not be laugh because it dey affect with the Edo State people. It dey affect with the Benin. We no go fit gather money now. Say we want go house go buy land. If you buy land, they are sell your land to another person. I beg, Omonoba of Benin, I beg. Fight against this thing. Tell them, make them know they sell land. If person don't sell land, and what even they baffle me, lawyer go still write paper, come put for the land. If another person wants to sell land, lawyer go still write paper, put again. Hey God, I beg, Oba, I dey beg you, I beg, work for this one. If you feel stop them, because our land not dey safe. Even people, if get one boy play give me, he say indoor build the house reach up, indoor roof the house. Now person come and say the land when he build house put, say na father get the land. Say right now, make come remove the house, put for the land. How person want to remove house when the door roof build, door put protector, put door, put everything. How person want to roof one? This is just the problem. He say if that person not root her, you need to buy the land second time. You see problem? I beg, Oba of Benin. Fight for this one loud. I'm begging. I know my voice they beg. Oba top me, I beg. This is a special message to the palace. Special message to the palace. Not be to anybody. We'll go straight to the next news. Hey my people, now you are here today. I don't already know the name. Prince John. You never subscribe to our YouTube channel, I beg. Why can't subscribe? Subscribe so that make the ministry they move well. Subscribe, no the matter now. As you subscribe, they press the notification bell so that everywhere they go where. You know everywhere they go. You are welcome. See you next